Is Sharp a good TV? Let's evaluate. Sharp TVs are a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers, offering reliable performance and decent picture quality at an affordable price. Known for their innovation in display technology, such as the Quatron color system, Sharp provides vibrant colors and sharp images in many of their models. They also offer smart TVs with features like 4K resolution, built-in Wi-Fi, and access to popular streaming apps, making them suitable for everyday use. However, compared to premium brands like Samsung, Sony, or LG, Sharp TVs may lack advanced features, sleek designs, or cutting-edge performance. Their smart platforms can feel less polished, and some models may not appeal to tech enthusiasts seeking top-tier quality. In summary, Sharp is a good TV brand for those prioritizing affordability and basic functionality, but it may not satisfy buyers looking for high-end performance or luxury features. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.